Om Guram Namaste. Good evening, Kiran. How are you? I'm fine. And today we have discussed about the first problem of exercise 14.1. Okay, that is about mean. Mean how to find the mean. Okay, how to find the mean value if one data is given. Okay, now yesterday I said about you that we can find the mean in three different ways. One is direct method. Second one is assumed mean method. Okay. Third one is step deviation method. Okay. So in our 14th chapter, under the topic of mean, we are having three different methods to find the value of mean of a given data. Okay, yesterday we have discussed about the step deviation method in a detailed manner. Yes or no? So today we can discuss about the assume next method. That is nothing but assume mean method. Means by using the assume mean method for the given data, how we can find out the mean value. Okay, that we can discuss. Huh? Take out our 14th chapter, exercise 14.1. Okay, now that is second problem. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory, and the data is given. Okay, now find the mean daily wages of the workers. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. Here, appropriate method means what? That may be any method of three different methods to obtain the mean, and the appropriate method of the three different methods. So, ఏ method అయినా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? For suppose, find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using step deviation method అని అడిగితే ఖచ్చితంగా స్టెప్ డివియేషన్ మెథడ్లోనే చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? అజ్యూమింగ్ మెథడ్ చేసినా డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ చేసినా ఇంక మార్క్స్ ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్గానే వస్తుంది. ఆన్సర్ కరెక్టే, కాకపోతే ప్రాసెస్ రాంగ్గా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఈ 4 మార్క్స్కి ఈ 1 మార్కు హాఫ్ మార్కు ఇచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. సో ఏ మెథడ్ అయితే ఆ మెథడ్లోనే చేయగలిగి ఉండాలి మీరు. ఓకే, any doubt? So today we can discuss about the assumption method. Okay, now for the second one, daily wages in Naples. Write down 200 to 250. 200 to 250. Okay. Next, 250 to 300. 250 to 300. Okay. Now 300 to 350. Okay? Now 350 to 400. 350 to 350 to 400. Okay? Next 400 to 450. 400 to 450. Okay? Now these are the daily wages given. Okay? Now write down the number of workers. For the first 200 to 250, 12. 12 number of workers are working under this salary. Paying me to our salary. Amount of salary got by doing work. That is known as wages. Okay? Now 250 to 300 how much? 40. Okay? Now 300 to 350 how much? 300 to 350 how much? 8. Okay? Now 350 to 400 how much? 6. Okay? Now 400 to 450 how much? 10. Okay? Okay? Now we have to add the total. Total FI values we have to add. Okay? Now 12 plus 14, 26. 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. So, total is 50. Okay? That is nothing but sigma F I. Okay? Sigma Fi. Total number of workers. Okay, now Xi. How we have to find Xi? I told you. This is the yesterday we have discussed about this. This is the lower boundary and this is the upper boundary. So 200 by 250. How much? 550. 550 by 2. Okay? 550 by 2 means what? 275. 275. Okay? Now 250 to 300. Sorry. Sorry. Now 200 by 250. 450. And 450. 450 by 2. So 200 2 22 या 44 2 5 10. So 225. 225. Okay? Now 250 by 300, 550. 550 by 550 by 2, 275. Okay? And now, if you want, you can do addition, rough work. Okay? As rough work, you can do like this. So, 275. Okay. Okay, now 300 to 350. 300 to 350, how much? How much? 650. 650 by 2. 650 by 2. How much? 200? 2 to the 6. 2 to the 4. 1, 2 500. So 325. That you are right. 325. 325. Okay? Now 350 by 400. 457. So 750 by 2. 750 by 2. So 200. 230 for the 2 to the 6. Okay? 2 to the 6. 2 to the 4. 15 now. 2 to the 4. Sorry. 2 to the 6. Okay? Now 2 7 the 14. Okay? 2 7 the 14. 210. Okay? 375. 375. Okay? Now, next. 400 plus 450. How much? 850. Okay? 850 by 850 by 2. How much? 200. 2 for the 8. Okay? 2 to the 4. 210. So 425. You can get it as 425. 425. Okay? Now look at the board. Any doubt? Okay? Now okay? Now 425. Now in this we have to assume one value. That is nothing but small a. Okay? I am assuming 325 as assuming mean value. So a equal to 325 means what? A equal to 325. Okay? I am assuming. Okay? This value assume cheyan rule here. A value assume chase coach. Okay? Now dx. What is the value of dA? Actually we have discussed that dA equal to xi minus a. Okay? xi minus a. Okay? Now xi minus a is there now. So dA equal to xi minus a. Now dI xi 225 minus 325. How much? 225 minus 325. 225 minus 325. How much? Minus 100. Yes or no? 225 is less than 325. So 325 minus 225, 100. 325 is bigger than 225. It is having minus number, so minus. So the value of corresponding dA is minus 100. Okay? Next. 325 minus 275. How much? 275 minus 275 minus 325. Okay? 325. How much? I will 0. Okay? So, 12 minus 7, 5. 2 minus 0. Minus 50. Okay? So, minus 50. Okay? Now, minus 50. Now, 325 minus 325, how much? 0. Okay? Next. 375 minus 325, 50. Okay? Now, 425 minus 325, 100. Okay? That is those are DA values corresponding to the value of DA. Okay? Now we have to do what is net column FIDA means what? We have to multiply the values of FI with DI. Okay? We have to multiply the values of FI with DI. Okay? Okay? Now 12 question minus 2 into 100 200. Okay, now net holding question minus. Okay, holding 0 is 0. Okay, holding 5 is 70. Okay, now again. Now 8 is 0 is 0. And 0 is 0. Okay, now 6 into 50, 5 is 30. So 6 into 50 equal to what? 300. Okay, 6 into 50 equal to 300. Okay, now next 10 into 100, 1000. Okay, 10 into 100 equal to 1000. Okay, now we have to add the total values. Okay, now you can add. Okay, minus 200 okay, minus 700. How much? Minus into minus plus. So we have to add 12 plus 7, 19. So minus 1900. Okay? No, plus 0 is 0. 1000 plus 300. 1000 plus 300 means what? 1300. So plus 1300. Okay? Okay? 1300. Okay, 1300. Okay, now 1900 minus 1300 minus 600. Minus 600. Okay, this is nothing but sigma Fi di value equal to minus 600. 600. Okay. Okay. In doubt? Now. Okay. Now. A equal to what? T25. Okay. Now I am doing this. Okay. Now, what is the value if you obtain A equal to T25? A equal to T25. Okay. Now, T25 comma sigma Fi dA equal to minus 600. Sigma Fi dA equal to minus 600. Okay. Again, sigma Fi equal to sigma means what? Summation of all Fi into what? Sum of all the Fi values is known as sigma Fi. Similarly, sum of all the Fi dA values is nothing but sigma Fi dA. Okay. So sigma Fi equal to what? 50. Okay. Now, assuming mean method, the formula is nothing but very simple formula. You can, that is nothing but x bar equal to A plus sigma Fi dA sigma Fi dA by sigma Fi. Okay. Now, that is nothing but A is what? T25. Okay. T25. Okay. Plus sigma Fi is what? Minus 600. Minus 600 by 50. Okay. Now, 0 get cancelled. Okay. 5 and 5. 5 towards 50. Okay. Into what? Equal to T25 plus minus 12 by 1. Okay. So that is nothing but T25 plus of minus 12. Okay. Now, T25 minus 12 how much? 12 by 1. Something by 1 equal to something. Means what? 1 equal to 1 by 1. 2 equal to 2 by 1. 3 equal to 3 by 1. Similarly, minus 12 by 1 equal to minus 12. Okay, so 325 plus of minus 12. Okay, now again 325 plus into minus 12. Okay, now 325 into how much? 313. Okay, 313. So the mean daily wages of laborers is nothing but rupees 313. Okay, any doubt? This is nothing but the assumed mean method to find the value of mean. Okay, next problem. I think so you have understood it. Now we are going to the next problem. Okay, now third problem. We can say 14.1. Third problem. Okay, now now third one, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of China avocados. Third problem, 14.1 exercise. Third problem, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of China avocados. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 80. Find the missing frequency f into odd. Mean value is given. Okay, in the frequencies, one frequency is not given. That we have to find. Okay, very easy. Okay, now draw table first. Okay, daily pocket allowances. Daily pocket allowance. ALLOW allowance in rupees. Okay, next, number of children. Number of children. 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 Okay. Number of children. Okay. Okay. Now write down 7 to 13. Thank you. Tomorrow I can say the second, third problem. Okay.